Good morning. So today I'll be taking you through how to use Unstoppable for Confluence. And in this case, I have created the three most common scenarios. That is creating a page, editing a page, and finally searching a page in Confluence. And then we are going to end with the way you can look for more resources in case you want to have, in case you want to know more about Unstoppable. And finally, this demo assumes that you have access to Unstoppable for Confluence. In case you do not have access to Unstoppable for Confluence, you can ask your Jira administrator whether Unstoppable is enabled, and secondly, if you have permission to Unstoppable for Confluence. Okay, so we have seen how we use Unstoppable for Jira. Now let's just move to Unstoppable for Confluence. And the first thing you'll need to do is you will need to do the same kind of admin settings, add a particular group to the Unstoppable users. What it will do again is it will stop all the users who are not going to use Unstoppable from ever having access to Unstoppable, so that those people are not affected by it, and only the people who need Unstoppable are actually using it. Okay, so to create a page, what I'm going to do is I'm going to just go to my home Confluence page, and from there I'm going to list out. From there, what I'm going to do is I'm going to list out all the buttons that are available. From there, I'm going to select all the create button, and when the create window opens up, I'm going to select a particular Confluence space. And in this case, I'm going to use a text. I'm going to use a blank template, but in case you are using a template, you will be able to traverse through those templates as well. Then when I go to the edit space, whatever I type is going to be read out. Whether I'm typing in heading, it is going to be prefaced with you are typing in heading, and in case I'm typing in the main body, again it will tell whether I'm typing in the main body or whether I'm editing the main body or not. So okay, let's see that.
Select a button dialog. List 1 list view. Create button. Ramesh home dash Ramesh dash Confluence. Select a button dialog. List 1 list view. Create button. 1 of 9. To tab. OK button. To activate, press space bar. Alt space. Banner region. Navigation region. Read only. Create link. Create from template. Ramesh home dash Ramesh dash con. Enter. Link close. Create page from template. Combo box. Ramesh. To change the selection, use the arrow keys. Open list box expanded. Himanshu Chetri. Batch. Himanshu Chetri. Ramesh. Sukber. Test. Sukber. Ramesh. Enter combo box. Ramesh. Tab. Template blank page. Start with a blank page. Template blog post. Share news and announcements with your team. Template Daisy decision. Define the roles and select a form field dialog. List C. R. Tab. OK button. To activate, press space bar. Alt plus O. Space. Create button. Create button. Enter. Create button unavailable. Add page dash Ramesh dash Confluence dash Google Chrome at space CONFLUECE space PAGE space SEGAP Smith C B N N PAGE space USING space UNSTOPPABLE space Tab. Creating a Confluence page using Unstoppable dash Ramesh dash Confluence dash Google Chrome. Rich text area. Press Alt dash F9 for menu. Press Alt dash F10 for toolbar. Press Alt dash 0 for help frame. Edit. Enter. THI S space I space T A space P A G E space C R E A T E space U S I N space U N S T O P P A B L E space period. Select the form field dialog. List 1 list view. Create button 1 of 30. View publish button. Tab OK publish button publish chain enter publish button publish changes left parent control plus S right parent. Page has 2 regions.
Okay, so now let's see how to edit a page in Confluence using Unstoppable. Uh, Again, what I'm going to do here is I'm going to use the same page that we have just created and search through all the links, check for the edit link, and when I go to the edit page, it is going to tell me which whether I'm in heading or I'm in body, and as I type, it is again going to read out what I'm typing in Confluence, so that it is easily accessible for all the users of Unstoppable.
Tools. Select a button .ed. Tab OK button to activate. Press space bar Alt plus O space read only. Edit link. Edit left parent E right parent. Edit button. Enter. Edit button. Rich text area. Press Alt dash F9 for menu. Press Alt dash F10 for. Select an edit box dialog. List 1 list view page title. Edit creating a Confluence page using Unstoppable. Tab OK button to act space page title edit creating a Confluence page using Unstoppable. Type in text. R E A T I N G space G N I T A E R C M O D I F Y I N G A space C O selected O page using Unstoppable blank. Tab edit dash modifying a Confluence page using Unstoppable dash Ramish dash Confluence dash Google Chrome. Rich text area. Press Alt dash F9 for menu. Press Alt dash F10 for toolbar. Press Alt dash 0 for help frame. This is the page created using Unstoppable. Edit. Enter. T H I space I space A space N E dot space L I N E space A D D E D space J B U U Y space U N S T O P P A B L E E E period. Select the form field dialog. List 1 U P update button. Tab OK button to activate. Press space bar Alt plus O space update button update published page left parent control plus S right parent. Control S update button. Use JAWS key plus Alt plus R to read descriptive text unavailable. Update published page left parent control plus S right parent.
Okay, so finally, let's go to how to search for a page in Confluence using Unstoppable. So it's again, I'm going to do the same thing. I'm going to check for all the links available, and I can do that, or I can just use tab to move to the search icon, and or the search bar, and from there, whatever I type, it is going to tell me what I'm typing and give out the suggestions. And from there, I can actually select which all options are options it has come up, it has thrown up for me, and I'll be able to select those, read out those, and whichever one suits me, I'm going to select that and go to that page.
Modifying a Confluence page using Unstoppable dash Ramish dash Confluence page has 2 regions, 4 headings and 32 links. Select an edit box dialog. List 1 list view. Search edit 1 of 1. Tab OK space. Search edit. Search. Type in text. R-A-M-E-S-H. Avatar Ramish space link graphic. Link Ramish. Space. Link Ramish home. Link Ramesh Nav 15, 2018. Enter. Ramesh Home Ramesh Nav 15, 2018 Confluence spaces are great for sharing content and news with your team. This is your home page. Right now it shows recent space activity, but you can customize this page in any way you like. Complete these tasks to get started. 185 incomplete Ramesh. E. E. Select an edit box style tab. OK button to enter. Search edit. Search type in text. Modifying. Modify the borders. Fix Ramesh Nav 15, 2018 link. Link Ramesh Nav 15, 20 link modifying the Confluence page using Unstoppable. Enter. Modifying a Confluence page using Unstoppable Ramesh about 2 hours ago. This is the page created using Unstoppable. This is a new line added by Unstoppable. Link. Modifying a Confluence page using Unstoppable Ramesh Confluence group.
Okay, so I hope this was useful. And in case you need any further help or any quick help, you can always go to our documentation space. You can just go to nebula.adtech.com and look for Unstoppable on the left hand side. Uh, in within Unstoppable, we have installation guides as well as step-by-step processes on how to do things like how to edit a page, how to search a page for Confluence, or how to edit a issue, how to search for issue, how to create an issue, and all these things in Unstoppable for Jira. For most of the pages, we also have an audio guide. So a narrator would read out what how to actually do these issues, or how to actually do all these things in just an audio guide, so that your users can also directly go to nebula.adtech.com Unstoppable and get help from there. And in case you need any further support, you can just write a mail to support@adtech.com, or open an issue with our admin help desk. So that would be jira.adtech.com. Thank you very much.